In the heart of the ancient world, a vibrant civilization thrived, the Kingdom of Israel. Yet, a series of events would shatter this prosperity, setting in motion one of history's most enduring migrations, the Jewish diaspora. In the year 586 BCE, the Babylonians, under King Nebuchadnezzar II, laid siege to Jerusalem. The city fell, and the Jewish elite were taken captive, marking the beginning of a long exile. Forced to leave their homeland, the Jewish exiles found themselves in foreign lands, adapting to new cultures while maintaining their faith. They settled in Babylon, where they would remain for centuries, contributing to the region's intellectual and economic growth. In Babylon, the Jewish exiles established a vibrant community, building temples and synagogues, and preserving their traditions. The Torah was translated into Aramaic, the language of the Babylonian Empire, ensuring its survival for future generations. However, the Jewish exiles faced hardships. They were subjected to discrimination and persecution, but they refused to assimilate. Instead, they clung tightly to their identity, passing down their customs, language, and faith from one generation to the next. Centuries later, another wave of exile swept over the Jews. In 70 CE, the Roman Empire, under Emperor Titus, destroyed the Second Temple in Jerusalem, forcing the Jews to scatter once again. This time, the Jewish diaspora stretched across the Mediterranean world, from Egypt to North Africa, Greece, and Rome. In these new lands, the Jews faced persecution and discrimination, but they also found opportunities to thrive. In the cities of the Roman Empire, the Jews became merchants, artisans, and scholars. They made significant contributions to philosophy, medicine, and literature. The Roman Empire, in turn, was enriched by the Jewish presence. Despite the hardships and challenges, the Jewish diaspora endured. Through the darkest times, they clung to their faith, their traditions, and their identity. They remained a resilient people, spreading their culture and influencing the world around them. Today, the Jewish diaspora continues, with Jews living in every corner of the globe. Yet, they have never forgotten their ancient homeland, Israel. The journey of the Jewish exiles, marked by resilience and determination, continues to inspire and captivate history enthusiasts worldwide.